Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Airpod Pro tips is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial accessories for anyone serious about their audio experience, because let's face it, those stock tips might not be giving you the perfect seal, comfort, or sound isolation you deserve, and upgrading them can dramatically transform your listening, making your favorite music, podcasts, and calls sound clearer and feel more secure than ever before. Number 5. YUWAKAYI Airpods Pro Replacement Ear Tips. Upgrade your listening experience with these replacement ear tips. They feature two specialized noise reduction holes, just like the originals. This design helps maintain your headphones' superior noise-canceling capabilities. Each tip includes a built-in dust guard screen, mirroring the original design. Its one-piece molding ensures it stays firm and won't easily fall off. You can enjoy clear sound without worrying about debris. Crafted from high-quality, soft silicone, these tips are incredibly lightweight. They provide long-lasting comfort for your ears, even during extended use. With 3 different sizes, SML, included, you'll find the perfect fit for everyone. Designed to perfectly fit your AirPods Pro and second generation, they connect closely and seamlessly. You won't have to worry about them falling off during activity. Plus, they fit perfectly inside your original charging case. This set comes with a handy storage box. It can hold all 6 ear tips, protecting any unused ones from getting lost or dirty. Keep them organized and ready whenever you need them. What we like. These tips excel in noise reduction, featuring unique noise reduction holes similar to the originals. If you prioritize maintaining the best possible active noise cancellation, these are an excellent choice. They are perfect for commuters or anyone in noisy environments who wants an immersive audio experience. What people say. Number 4. Link Dream Replacement Ear Tips for AirPods Pro 2. These ear tips are designed to perfectly fit your AirPods Pro and Pro second generation. They won't interfere with your earphones' induction or charging when placed in their case. Crafted from high-quality silicone, they effectively block outside noise. This ensures your AirPods Pro's original sound quality remains unaffected. Their ideal softness allows for extended use without ear pain. You can even exercise confidently, as they stay securely in place. Each set comes with a handy storage box. This keeps your unused ear tips safe from getting lost or dirty. When replacing your old ear tips, remember to remove all parts, including the white cup. This ensures a proper and secure fit for the new ones. What we like. This pack offers a generous quantity of high-quality silicone tips, ensuring you have plenty of spares. If you frequently lose ear tips or share your AirPods Pro, this bulk pack provides great value. It's ideal for families or individuals who need a long-lasting supply. What people say. Number 3. Foam Masters Memory Foam Ear Tips for AirPods Pro. Experience the redesigned Blackmagic 6.0. We've listened to your feedback, making them super soft and more ergonomic for an unparalleled listening experience. These tips feature exclusive ISO 9 memory foam. This unique blend offers exceptional comfort, durability, and sweat resistance, thanks to its invisible semi-permeable layer. Elevate your audio experience. They provide superior active noise cancellation and a more natural bass response, letting you truly immerse yourself in your music. Every detail matters. These ear tips are meticulously designed, accounting for every 0.1 mm to ensure a perfect and secure fit for your ears. We understand how your ears work. Their tapered front allows for a deeper, more secure fit, while the slightly widened rear flows naturally with your ears' groove for ultimate comfort. What we like. These tips stand out with their premium memory foam construction, offering superior comfort and a secure fit. If you experience discomfort with silicone tips or want a truly custom, snug seal, these are designed for you. They are perfect for extended listening sessions or active users seeking maximum stability and improved sound isolation. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to enable extraction of helpful points. Number 2. Pohgelan AirPods Pro Replacement Ear Tips with Cleaner Kit. Upgrade your listening experience with these replacement ear tips. They are specifically designed for Airpods Pro first and second generation, including the new USB-C charging case. Enjoy your audio without distractions. These tips feature 2 noise reduction holes, just like the originals, to maintain your headphones' superior noise-canceling effect. Each tip includes a built-in dust guard screen, ensuring they stay secure even during exercise. Made from high-quality, soft silicone, they provide lasting comfort for your ears. This set includes 4 sizes, XS, S, M, and L. With these options, everyone in your family can find their ideal fit for personalized comfort. Maintain hygiene with the included double-head cleaning pen. Its metal tip and soft microfiber brush effectively remove dirt from small holes and surfaces, keeping your earbuds spotless. You receive 4 pairs of white ear tips in various sizes and a versatile cleaning pen. Our dedicated customer service team is always ready to assist you with any questions. What we like. This set offers an impressive range of 4 sizes, including XS, ensuring a perfect fit for almost any ear. If you struggle to find the right size or want to share with family members, this comprehensive pack is a great solution. Plus, the included cleaning kit makes it a fantastic all-in-one package for maintaining your earbuds. What people say. Number 1. Link Dream Ear Tips for Airpods Pro Pro 2. Upgrade your listening experience. These ear tips are designed to perfectly fit your AirPods Pro and AirPods Pro 2nd generation, ensuring seamless compatibility. They won't interfere with your earphones' induction or charging when placed in the case. Crafted from high-quality silicone, they provide excellent noise isolation. This material ensures your AirPods Pro's original sound quality remains unaffected, giving you pure audio enjoyment. Experience lasting comfort with their proper softness, allowing extended use without ear pain. These earbuds stay securely in place, even during your most active workouts. A handy storage box is included to keep your unused earbuds safe and clean. It protects them from getting lost or soiled, ensuring they're always ready when you need them. When replacing your old ear tips, remember to remove all parts, including the white cup. This ensures a proper fit and optimal performance for your new ear tips. What we like. These silicone tips provide a comfortable and secure fit, made from quality material that blocks outside noise effectively. If you're looking for a reliable, everyday replacement that won't slip during exercise, these are a solid choice. They are great for general use, offering a balanced blend of comfort and performance. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.